Brian Mo at DayTradingFutures.net doing the daily technical analysis on the Australian dollar futures. We're looking at a live 4-hour chart right now. And before I start, I'd like to first say that my overall sentiment has changed from slightly bullish to bearish. The reason for that is on Sunday we had a pretty important area for us to break through, which it almost did. It just touched that trend line. This trend line actually extends all the way to the top of the head and shoulders formation that emerged in November. Now, we did bounce down, hit the support area. The body of the candle is just above that support area, even though we dipped, or the spike is the wick of the candle slightly below it. Then we started a consolidation zone, which actually formed a pennant, and that statistically has an outcome of an uptrend breakout. So what we should have seen with this downward pennant, or this upward pennant, is a break to the up, which at that point could have given additional confirmation that we would have had a good long setup targeting this previous line of support at 9005 and even possibly this 38.2% area of the Fibonacci extension. So right now, it looks like we are traveling back down to at least this consolidation zone for a little bit longer. We had some positive news come out with the Australian currency. The trade balance was released at 7:30 Central Standard Time with some really good numbers, but it didn't help the currency that much, and I think that that's really a sign that the currency just wants to continue its downward path to the RBA stated preferred area of 85 cents. Also, other analysts do believe that the currency has room to go down to the 80 cents flat area. So I'm staying short at this point. No longer will I be taking any longs just because the bottom could give way anytime. So at this point, we might see a retracement back up to this resistance line. If we break above it and all of a sudden break above this downward trend line, then you may want to enter a long position, but I would definitely wait until we cross this area here to go long. Breaking above this resistance line to me is just not enough of a good trade setup for me. I do need to see it break this downward trend line first. If we come up here and it looks like it's going to then bounce and just start plummeting again, I would take this trade as a short in this area here. My first target would be roughly this area support at 88.29, which is held on a few occasions. That would be my first target. And second target would obviously be this lower supportive area right at 87.86. Again, I am bearish. I'm only going to be shorting the currency at this point. And if you have any questions, please contact us at DayTradingFutures.net. We'll see you next time.